Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to Good Health. Today we've got something special for you. We are diving into the world of effective home workouts that will not only boost your fitness but also improve your overall health. So, if you're ready to transform your living room into a personal fitness haven, stay tuned. Importance of home workouts. Now, before we jump into the exercises, let's talk about why home workouts are so crucial for your well-being. In our fast-paced lives, finding time to hit the gym can be challenging. But worry not, because effective home workouts bring the gym to you, helping you stay fit on your terms. Cardio workouts. First up on our list is cardio. Whether you are a fitness pro or just starting, cardio workouts are a game changer. They not only enhance your cardiovascular health but also contribute to weight management. Today, we've got some fantastic routines that you can do right in the comfort of your home. Strength training. Next, let's talk about building strength. You don't need fancy equipment for an effective strength training session at home. We'll explore some bodyweight exercises that'll target different muscle groups. Get ready to feel the burn and see incredible results. Mind-body connection. It's not just about physical health, it's about the mind-body connection. We'll dive into exercises that not only strengthen your body but also promote mental well-being. Achieve that perfect balance for a healthier and happier you. Cool down and recovery. Every good workout needs a proper cool down. We'll guide you through some relaxing stretches and techniques for recovery. Taking care of your body post-workout is just as important as the workout itself. Effective home workouts for improved health. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate these exercises into your routine, and you'll be on your way to a healthier lifestyle. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Good Health and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our fantastic content. Until next time, keep sweating and stay healthy.